The 2024 Aston Martin Vantage is a sports car that combines thrilling performance with a luxurious interior. Priced at £134,300, it offers a compelling package. Despite being Aston Martin's smallest model, it boasts a powerful engine and exquisite craftsmanship. Under the hood, the Vantage features a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 engine, delivering 656 brake horsepower. This power propels the car from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, reaching a top speed of 202 miles per hour. The Vantage's agile handling and responsive 8-speed automatic gearbox make it a joy to drive, while its clever rear electronic differential ensures optimal grip. Inside, the Vantage offers a plush and comfortable environment. The updated dashboard, inspired by the Aston Martin DB12, features user-friendly controls. The digital driver's display is sharp, and the seats provide excellent support. The infotainment system includes a 10.3-inch touchscreen with wired Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay. The Vantage is a two-seater with ample space for tall adults. Storage options include a modest glove box, slim door pockets, and a 346-liter boot. While it lacks rear seats like the Porsche 911, it offers enough room for a weekend getaway.